So hello grasshoppers. This week we've had 2-3 days of below freezing weather in the mornings. Here it is Sunday, December 2nd. They're calling for it to be in the 70s today. So we've had about 3 inches of rain and thunderstorms yesterday, this past few days. Yard looks terrible with all the leaves, so I thought I would video blowing them off today, since I've got a chance to do that this afternoon, and we'll let you see what I do to get it blown off. So here's the yard. I'll set up back in here somewhere, try to catch most of the backyard blow. See, it's pretty bad, all these leaves. Can't grow grass under leaves. Maybe this weather today though will give us some a little bit of sunshine on these things, get them little baby grass growing. Alright, let's see where I can find to set up. Alright, well, I found a place to set up. Went ahead and blew off a little bit on the back porch here so I wouldn't be blowing into the camera. And we will let this record for a while. Those leaves when they're a little bit wet, they blow a whole lot better when they're dry. They go up in the air. When they're really wet, of course, you can't blow them at all. It's working out pretty good. That's always nice. I see some grass. Underneath all those leaves, there's a little bit of grass. By the way, I love this little blower. Used to have an electric one, and what I just did in about 30 minutes or so, maybe, would have taken me about 4 hours of that electric one. I'm kind of liking this thing. Didn't cost much. I think I got it on clearance one time for like 80 bucks or something. Been a good one. Okay, well, I'm all done. I'll go around a little bit here. I didn't try to get up every leaf. Didn't figure that's really worth it. Since it's blowing. You can already see there's a bunch already back here where I just got through blowing. But I do see some grass, little sprouts coming up in here. They were all covered up with the leaves. Maybe now they'll get some sun since we're going to have 70-degree temperatures today. Went ahead and blew a little bit up there in that spot there. The wind was blowing a little much there though. Back here I'm a little protected. Got all these trees so I can blow a little better. Not have the wind affect me quite as much. Now, like I said, it did change directions on me a couple of times. The spot right there is where I have blown leaves for years. Piled that up pretty good. Don't have to worry about mowing where I got all them leaves. And over here to the side, blew them off to the side. Again, seeing quite a bit grass. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. There's a nice little green tint to everything. Road right there where I blow the leaves, blow them up against this fence. He didn't have that fence there. We used to play dueling leaves. He blow them toward me, I blow them toward him. Blueberries, they love all the leaves around them. Still got to get out when they get a little bit more dormant and trim them. Way too high, I've let them go. I've never trimmed them. They've been here for 20 years. Me and the birds get lots of blueberries off of them. I blow a row down here into the little wooded area. Maybe the sun won't get in the way on this shot. But there's some grass growing down in here. That's new this year. Of course, over here where the truck was, that is filling in pretty good. A couple of bare spots, but most of it filling in pretty good. Here, the bare spot, and right over in here, got some more grass. Then the side part that I stopped the camera on, came over here and blew all this off. But that about wraps it up. Go in and see if I can edit this. I'm not real good at editing videos, as you might be able to tell already. But see what I can come up with. Maybe put some before shots on my front yard. I got to digging around and found some before shots, or at least early on in the renovation of the front yard. Maybe I'll put some of them in. So until then, thank you for watching yet another week. Be sure and subscribe, like the video, and we will see you next week.